Boom. Look at that. Look at these leaves. Leaves of this Swiss chard. You like spinach, you'll love Swiss chard. The taste is very much like spinach. This is rainbow chard. I got different pigments. This is yellow. That means that I got some beta carotene in there. This one's red. It's got some lycopene in there. I got the green, the leafy green, that's chlorophyll. I'm getting a lot of extra things. The Swiss chard is special. It has a lot of vitamin A, a lot of vitamin K, I mean a lot of vitamin C. It's got a lot of the minerals that you need. Magnesium, potassium, calcium. That's all in here. So you don't got to take no supplements when you eating Swiss chard. Another thing about Swiss chard, it has a lot of nitrates. People that got blood pressure issues, boom, Swiss chard is going to help you with that. And then nitrates, that gives you a lot of oxygen. When you're working out, your body will call for less oxygen because of the nitrates. That's good for you. That's good for your performance. It's easy to grow. Think about growing some Swiss chard. I got a workshop coming up on November 7th. It's going to be at ACAF. All right, 221 South 52nd Street in West Philly. Y'all come through. Me and Dr. Cynthia Hall, so come through and see us. And then if you can't show up, you can live stream that one. Get out there, grow something. Stay rooted. Bless.